anyway.
Yeah, shit. Nice.
But the thing is, it's and then of course it's a good thing he brought it to the track, and then
Did you teach him?
Of course I had to teach him, or else the organizer it's gonna like just push him out, like tell him like you're not allowed to drive anymore. So of course I showed him how to drive it, and he was surprised. He was very shocked. He was like, wait, my car can do that? I'm like, yeah bro, your car can do this.
That can do anything on a track.
Yeah. So again, and then yeah, it's fine. He shared my driving to his friends.
Was it a button below?
Yeah.
Damn. So what was your personal best with it?
So of course that car is easy to sub to, even with a lot of traffic, on the track.
God.
Yeah, I mean,
Insane,
but again, it's like for a kid that doesn't really know what his car can do, it's kind of like, man.
He did it under 2 minutes?
No, I did it under 2
minutes. Oh, I was like, bro, he learned it the same day.
No,
and
of course.
did a lap under 2 minutes.
No, he used my, driving video and then shared it.
Portray as his driving?
Yeah.
Bruh.
So I mean, it's okay. It's okay. I don't mind.
I would do the same, honestly. We're like, yep, just my personal best. Bottom window with my GT3, manual only.
Yeah, no, I was like, I don't mind. Like, if it's an inspiration to him, so that he will learn more after that, then that's fine.
But what did you think driving that? Did you like that car?
Yeah, so I was telling my best friend, like, I don't really think about wanting to get that car.
Why not? Like, what did
Because the thing is, like, just like Button Willow, that Porsche is just way too fast for it. Like, the power and everything, like, it's just too much. That track, S2K, this car, Miata, like spec Miata. I mean, even till this day, that's what you see on that track.
No, but like, let's say, what do you mean by that car is too powerful for that track? Like, why
it's
is
just
that a
too
problem?
much. It's just too much power, too much, basically too much everything. And if something bad happens, right, like you were saying, like, you'll be all like crying, and
that's gonna hurt.
It's hurting, right? So it's like, do I really need it?
Bro, if I have buy a second-hand Miata, even for, I don't know, whatever money,
yeah,
I crash it, I'm gonna be extremely sad. Like, what? And a Porsche, I can only imagine.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I can never, I can never do that. I mean, that's why even my friends don't have, Porsches and stuff, because it's like, no, we're fine. We're fine with S2Ks, we're fine with spec Miatas, even a simple BMW, it's fine, like, we don't need a Porsche or anything like that.
I really I've been looking at this 1998 Carrera 4S.
Oh.
So it's air cooled.
Air cooled, okay.
But it's also $200,000.
Oh wow.
But here's the problem, right?
Yeah.
So for $200,000, these are your options: the 991.2 GT3,
yeah,
RS,
yeah,
or maybe the Touring,
yeah,
or the the new the 718 Spider RS.
Oh,
dude,
nice,
that one,
nice.
So that one is basically a GT4 RS, but the roof comes off.
Oh yeah.
It's a soft top.
It's a soft top, right?
So roof comes off completely.
Yeah, it is.
Dude, I mean,
I think one of our friends was also looking for that as well, but it was hard to find, a reliable one. Especially like with Porsches, you got to make sure, their odometer is,
No, the Spider RS is new one.
Oh, you're talking about the new one.
The new.
Okay.
Because for 200K, those are like your options.
Yeah.
So it depends on you. Do I want to go like a really older route, get something from the 90, like 98, dude? That's like, I was born in 97.
Yeah, I mean, it's good that you're still appreciating, that era.
if I could, I would only buy cars from that era. But those things cost so much money.
Well, but that's the thing, is people only care about, you know, what's available today, right?
You know, when I went to buy the M4,
yeah.
I didn't even want to buy that. I wanted to get a 911 Carrera S.
No.
I wanted to get a Carrera S, but I wanted to spec it.
Ah,
I wanted to
okay.
spec the thing. Porsche Dallas said, you don't have any purchase history, we cannot let you spec anything. So basically they said, get the fuck out of my dealership.
Yeah, I get it. Okay. I get it.
So from there I took another Uber.
Yeah.
I went to BMW of Dallas. They made me, I placed an order the same day.
Oh, wow.
And when I came 6 months later,
yeah,
with the deposit, signed some papers, and I was out. Oh shit.
No, I think you pressed it.
Oh, my bad, dude. But yeah, and that cost me everything $80,000.
Yeah, no, but that's the thing. Like, you know, even Misha's saying that he's getting an M3 Touring, right? But the thing is, we're not gonna get, you know, that kind of Touring over here. So
that would be. I really want to get a E350 Estate. Just as a daily.
Just as a daily.
Yeah, because you know how I have my C-Class?
Yeah.
The one that I brought?
Yeah.
That's my first car. I had it, it's a 2014, the last naturally aspirated C-Class. I have almost 200,000 miles on that car.
Oh, wow.
It's perfect. Nothing, just regular maintenance, you know. Change the rotor twice.
Well, but the thing is, even now, people are still, you know, racing with the E92. So,
E92?
Yeah, E92. That's why, like,
for the M3.
Yeah, the M3, and that's why, like, you know, even I appreciate, you know, that BMW. You know, I think I would say that's kind of the only one that I've been appreciating, other than also like Z4M. You know.
Oh, the clown shoe.
Yeah, if you know, you don't care having, you know, rear seats, or, you know.
BMW is nice, but this one that I got, honestly, this will be my last ever like brand new car. Because new cars, I feel like too many screens, too much button, it's too bright. Like,
yeah, it's too bright, right?
Like, why is this here? What do I need this for?
Right.
And then, you know, like, everything is too digital, dude.
Well, but that's where they're going, you know.
Like, everything is just screen, screen, screen.
But yeah, I guess if you notice, that's pretty much what BMW is
like,
going.
Yeah, oh, dude, BMW, you know, like, my model was the last one where they have like a separation.
Yeah.
Like one screen here and then the cluster here. Now they have this one big ass iPad.
iPad, right?
Like, what is that?
Oh, it's because we're heading to Tesla, you know, territory.
You know why I think they do that? Like, basically, I feel like they do that so you don't really own anything.
No, pretty much, like they were saying about the subscription, you know, like they're trying to do that. So I'm like, you guys got to be crazy with the subscription, you know, model.
Let's say the cars from the 90s, like a Lexus LS400 from the 90s, all tactical buttons. Even in 2023, you don't need to change anything.
Yeah.
But a screen technology, dude, you remember screens 10 years ago?
Oh, I remember.
It was garbage.
It is garbage.
So 10 years from now, this screen will be garbage.
Yeah. Pretty much.
So if you let's say you buy this car and you don't want to sell it, right?
Yeah. And
you know, it's like year 2040. You have to go to Subaru for some dumb shit. Be like, yo, my screen doesn't work.
Yeah, or, you know, it needs an update.
Like, what? Nah, that's crazy.
You know, just like this one, you know, the reason why a lot of people change it is because the internal processor is, you know, pretty slow, and that's the reason why sometimes it needs a reboot, you know.
Oh, reboot, huh? Oh, a little choppy.
But bro, I think
I'm on third.
Yeah, no, you were. Yeah, it was telling you that you were on third. That's why.
Yeah, that's why it felt weird.
You were doing good, bro.
Yeah.
But you see, like, I feel like it's when you don't think too much about
when
it.
don't think too much.
Yeah, when you
just
think
happens.
just happens. You see?
Yeah. Now I really want to buy like a used, like an old BRZ now, like a manual.
Yeah, I would say like look for the 2017 to, you know, the 2019.
That's too new. What about a Miata, like a cheap Miata?
Same.
Just so I know how to.
Same price,
like a 2005 Miata.
Oh, you're talking about 2005?
Yeah.
Oh no, I mean of course it's way cheeper, but
It's gonna be like really.
I thought you. Oh, there's a cup.